Hey everyone! Ever wondered how cameras and photography got their start? It's a story that's way more fascinating than you might think. Let's take a quick journey from the very first photo ever taken to the amazing cameras we all have in our pockets today. Our story begins way back in the 5th century BCE. Thinkers like Aristotle and Moses noticed something incredible. If light from outside passed through a tiny hole into a dark room, it would project an upside-down image onto the opposite wall. They called this phenomenon the camera obscura, which is Latin for dark room. This simple but brilliant observation was the very first step toward creating the cameras we know and love. It was the ancestor of all photography, a natural magic trick that sparked centuries of innovation. Now, let's fast forward to the early 19th century, where a French inventor named Joseph Nicephore Niepce decided to capture one of these projected images permanently. In 1826, after years of experimenting, he succeeded. He created the world's first permanent photograph, famously known as View from the Window at La Grosse. But here's the crazy part: took a whopping 8 hours of exposure to capture. Can you even imagine trying to hold a pose for 8 hours just for one picture? That's some serious dedication. Niepce's breakthrough was incredible, but it wasn't very practical. He soon partnered with another inventor, Louis Daguerre. After Niepce's death, Daguerre continued their work, and in 1839, he introduced the daguerreotype. The process was much faster, producing incredibly sharp and detailed images on polished silver plates. For the first time, photography became accessible. People were lining up to have their portraits taken, capturing moments and loved ones in a way that had never been possible before. A memory could now last forever. From there, the evolution of photography just exploded. Over the decades, cameras became smaller, faster, and more user-friendly. We went from those bulky, heavy plate cameras to the roll film cameras that our parents or grandparents might have used. Then came the digital revolution, which completely changed everything. No more film, no more waiting for photos to be developed, and now, of course, the camera has found its way into our smartphones. Almost everyone on the planet has a powerful, high-quality camera right in their pocket. We can snap, edit, and share photos instantly with anyone, anywhere in the world. From that first blurry 8-hour photo to stunning selfies, breathtaking wedding pictures, and even mind-blowing images captured by telescopes in deep space, photography has fundamentally changed how we see and document our world. It connects us, preserves our history, and lets us share our lives in vivid detail. So, the next time you tap your screen to take a photo, just take a second to remember that you were part of a nearly 200-year-old adventure in capturing light and time. Every picture you take continues this incredible legacy. And who knows? Your next photo could be a historic one, too. If you loved this journey through time, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more amazing history shorts. And I'd love to know what's the story behind your first ever photo. Drop a comment below and share your memories. Thanks for watching.